This episode will teach you how to add file into folder. So first, we create a folder on desktop and name the folder as main. Double-click the main folder to open it. Then, when you go into the folder, right-click in the folder and select New button. Then we select the text document and left-click it. Then you will see a text file is created. Then change the file's name to first. Double-click the text file. You will see the new window is created. You can use keyboard to type anything you want. And there is some tips. Press space here. You can make a space between words and words, or press backspace to delete letter and space. Press enter can go to the next slide. So let's do the actual operation now. We created the main folder here and double click it. The folder is empty, so right click on it and move to new and select the text document here. So the text document is created. We type first here and press enter to save it. Now we double click here. A window is created here. So you can use keyboard to type anything you want, like I love twice. And you can press space here to have a space. This is two space here. And we can use backspace here to delete letter. Or we can press enter to go to next slide.